Hi, my name is Udo London, and I'm here to talk to you about what is a doula and how important is a doula. A doula is a really important person to the pregnant mum in terms of providing that continuous support, giving her really the encouragement and confidence and belief that she is able to have the birth experience that she wants. She really is essentially there for the women, the mother, and also for the father in terms of helping him support his wife or partner during this time. Now, a doula really is somebody who has been here for a very long time. We've had doulas throughout various cultures over time, and there really are women who are really mothers. In terms of the name doula, it actually is translated in German as handmaiden, and it's really about women supporting women, mothering the mother. And a doula really is passionate about giving that support and nurturing that mother during this phase and making her feel very confident and empowering her and really helping her understand her body through this phase of her life. Pregnancy really can be very exciting. It's very exciting, but it also can be quite a scary time, especially in this day and time with a lot of procedures that could happen. You have your C-sections, you have many medical interventions, and a lot of women really feel that they don't really want to go down that path, and having that continuous support has been evident to show that it can reduce intervention by 50% for C-section, 40% in terms of medical interventions like forceps use, the need for any medical pain relief, and then just overall a more satisfying birth experience. So the doula really is somebody who plays the essential role to the woman and her family and her partner in bringing a more satisfying birthing experience. Now, a doula is trained in childbirth, childcare, birth preparation, postnatal care, breastfeeding care, breastfeeding information. They're not really here to replace the role of a midwife who is more medical. We don't also perform any medical procedures. We're really here coming from a very holistic approach, and the main areas that we really help focus the pregnant mom is the mental, physical and emotional preparation. So with the mental is how she's feeling about her body, how she's feeling about the whole birthing process. Is she confident, is she mentally prepared? We're really here to kind of give that woman that comfort to knowing that she's mentally prepared, and just to eliminate any fears that she may have and concerns, and really kind of help her iron out really the fears and really kind of turn them around and give her a different point of view as to the birthing process and how she can best manage it and empower herself with that information. Physically, we provide a lot of useful and beneficial tools in how to establish labour, how to progress labour effectively, and also, the best positions in terms of birthing your baby. There's many forms of ways women can progress labour: massaging, the use of aromatherapy, the positions, just really helping her understand how her body works and just helping her understand her body during the different stages of labour. Once she has that awareness, it brings confidence, and it's really important to give the pregnant mom the confidence in her body, in herself, mentally and physically. It really does have a big impact on how she sees her birth, and she sees the birth of her child, and really just the whole process of her labour. Mentally, physically, emotionally, even on a spiritual level, depending on really the mindset of the mum, it's really that belief that she can do it. It's really kind of helping her set the path into motherhood and helping her feel that she is valued as a person. Her thoughts and her understanding of herself really does play a big role in her birthing process for the birthing process for her child. You know, the birth doula is somebody who really is trying to make this experience very satisfying, very enjoyable, you know, really not trying to focus on all the what ifs and the dangers of birth, because it's really the mental aspect of how we can help support that pregnant mum feel that really has that the impact or the outcome of the birth really kind of shows. So, you know, it's really important that the couple, the mother and the partner, know alternatives or how to approach or how to really kind of question procedures, and maybe even also how to delay it. So the birth doula really can help the mother feel that she is an important person and she can make a difference, and how to say things, and knowing that she has that continuous support by birth doula really does make a difference for them. There's so many birth outcomes, you know, there's so many women who have different mindsets or understanding of the birthing process, and there's so many women who really have a lot of fears, and that could be stemmed from a traumatic birth before, and they really felt that they weren't given the support, or they really want to avoid that. They felt that, you know, they've had the information, they've learned of a birth doula, and it was something that they suited them, and that's why they chose to have a birth doula, or that they just have a traumatic concept of birth, and they really needed that extra support during that pregnancy to help them prepare, and continuously. They really didn't want somebody to just be there 1 minute and then somebody else during that birthing process. They really wanted somebody who was with them and who knew them and who understood them. It's really been the role of a doula. It's really somebody who just helps that mother come into the role of motherhood with more satisfying and with ease, and just with a better understanding. We also have a postnatal doula, and it's somebody who is trained but mainly in the postnatal care period. She has knowledge in breastfeeding care, how to really provide a good balanced diet, and how to help the mother look after or just manage the whole bonding and relationship with the baby, you know, the dynamics. And it's just there to give encouragement. A postnatal doula can also be someone who just listens to the mother and hears any concerns she may, and how am I doing this right. It's just really helping that mother settle into the role of motherhood, and really help her see how enjoyable and how to enjoy this time.